So the truck kept stalling out every time I washed it, and then it just wouldn't start one day. So I went ahead and pulled the spare tire down. For one, nobody tells you to keep telling you need a tool. This is a 2005 Ford F-150 XLT. I just used a 3/8 socket without a bit on the end. Stuck it in here up into the tube, and it worked to winch the tire down. It was super rusty, but it came down. And then this is the fuel pump module. It's literally just hanging. You can see it's literally broken off, and it's snapped. Turn the light on. Light doesn't work too good with the lens on here, but you can see it literally snapped off, so water was spraying in there and shorting it out. So the bolts are right there. I need to try to get those bolts out. Unplug this, plug the new one in, and then bolt it back up, and then winch the tire back up. That's a pretty easy fix. It's hard to find any info online. Like, nobody would tell me any information on what was wrong with it, how to get the spare tire down. Everyone kept saying I needed a tool and a special key and shit. 3/8 socket with 3 or 4 extensions on it. Reaches back into it, winches the thing down. And the rim was completely covered in rust. So I went ahead and grinded it all down, took all the rust off, got the spare tire back up in place. I'm not sure if we can actually see. Oh yeah, there it is, the fuel module. There's the new fuel module, bolted in place. I had to drill a new hole and put another, like a separate bolt in, because I ended up breaking the bolt trying to pull it out. One came out easy, the other one didn't. There's the spare tire. Painted it all black again. It's already starting to get a little bit rusty just after a couple days. Glad it got fixed easy though. So, truck's back on the road and working good, so thanks for watching. Hopefully we got some more videos soon.